Here we are testing out my new drone's follow feature. Had some problems. For one thing, I didn't get the volume, the audio right for somehow. The app on my phone for the drone records your voice with a microphone. I have a lav mic on. And I think I didn't plug it in all the way to the phone or something. I don't know. Audio failed. So I'm doing this audio in post production, as they say. And it works fine when it's working. As you can see at the end of the video, the drone had some issues. Anyway, it's got a great picture, huh? Not bad. 2.7K, 30 frames per second. If you spend a whole lot more money, you can get really way better video, like 5K, 120 frames per second. Well, anyway, so here I am, the drone. I made a turn. Drone's following me real nice. Everything's fine. Drone passes right over the top of this car. Look at that. Wow, right over. And so you see the shadow of the drone? It's just working great. Just great. And then right up the road here, coming up, not yet, a few another 30 seconds away or so. Anyway, I got a location thing, a little tile. It's a little tiny device for locating things. You got to be within 250 feet of it, and it squeals when you tell it your phone to find it. It squeals. It makes a little noise, and I'm hard of hearing. The noise it makes is real high frequency. Did you see that? I don't know what happened, and it got disturbed and lost me. I just rode away from it, and it's still hovering here. See, it's just hovering. Now, I sped up the video like 5 times, so you don't have to sit here and watch this thing hover for however long that was. And in a moment here, you'll see me riding back. There's Andy. Got the sun in my face. I can't see the drone. I can't hear it because the drone sounds exactly like my bike. So the noise of my bike masks the sound of my drone, so I can't hear it. Well, anyway, I found it. I got it back. It's okay. I don't know, man. Anyway, signing out.